It's later in the fall. These fish are staging up for winter, and they're trying to fatten themselves up because they'll get pretty lethargic here pretty soon. So what we're working a flat along one of the wintering holes up by one of the dam systems, and we're working 14-ish to 25 feet, and as these fish slide out of the hole, they'll come up and feed once in a while. Usually you're able to catch some pretty decent fish along the way. It's not always fast and furious, but it's very rewarding, and what you catch is very worthwhile. As fall progresses on deeper into winter, I'll start moving downriver, and these fish will start going deeper and deeper throughout the day and only come up real close to dark or in the dark. So that's what we'll be looking at today, and we'll see how it turns out.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.